Welcome back. Today we are talking about Agentic DevOps, the next evolution of DevOps, where intelligent AI agents don't just automate tasks, but actually think, learn, and act alongside your engineering workflows. In this video, I'll break it down in a simple way and show how this changes the future of DevOps. All right. Agentic DevOps is basically about bringing smart, goal driven AI agents into our DevOps workflows. Instead of us manually handling every little step, these agents can plan, build, test, deploy, and even monitor systems on their own. And they adapt as things change. Think of it as the next evolution of DevOps. We still use the same principles like automation, CI/CD, observability, and fast feedback loops. But now we combine them with the agentic AI that can plan tasks, execute multi step actions, understand telemetry, and learn from what's happening. The whole point is to deliver software faster and more reliably, while we humans stay in charge of governance, decision making, and safety. Okay, now what is agentic? Well, it's basically applying agentic AI to the entire DevOps lifecycle, right? We are transforming traditional automation to more powerful way with autonomous and AI driven processes. This really enhances how we develop software, deploy it, and run operations. We are integrating AI agents directly into the software development lifecycle. To handle tasks intelligently, it's all about combining human expertise with AI capabilities for more efficient and adaptive workflows. So, AI plus DevOps practice equals agentic DevOps. Hope you understand this. How the agentic AI helps in DevOps, autonomous decision making, and self healing. This is the core point of agentic DevOps. The AI agents detect issues, diagnose problems, and fix them automatically, like rolling back bad deployments or scaling resources. Second, faster deployment cycles. This one, agents automate complex processes like testing and releases, speeding up delivery with real time adaptive planning. Next, intelligent adaptation and optimization. Agents analyze data to optimize workflows, predict failures, and adjust strategies dynamically for changing conditions. Finally, enhanced collaboration and efficiency. AI handles routine tasks like code reviews or provisioning, so developers can focus on high level work with a fewer errors. Okay, let's quickly look at how this agentic DevOps architecture works. At the top, we have the usual workflow. Developers push code into source control, and the CI/CD system builds, tests, and prepares deployments. Here, there is no changes as we do as part of DevOps practice. But the real magic happens in the middle layer, the agentic AI orchestrator. This is the brain of the system. It's made of multiple agents that each handle something specific: monitoring, remediation, deployments, and optimization, and we it handling infrastructure. So the AI agent observe what's happening, reason about it, and take actions automatically, or ask for human approval when something is risky. From there, the orchestrator connects down into IAC tools, policy engines, Kubernetes, or serverless environments, your audit logs, and observability platforms like Grafana or ELK. Everything stays in sync because the agents constantly send instructions and receive feedback. Alright, before we jump into the hands on demo, let's quickly look at the key advantages agentic DevOps. These are not just features, they're practical ideas of how agentic AI can be integrated directly into our DevOps practices. Okay, first, continuous self optimization. These agents actually learn from your pipeline behavior and make things smoother every day. Next to autonomous problem solving, instead of waiting for us, they detect issues, reason about the cause, and propose a fix instantly. We also get faster incident resolution because the agent is already analyzing logs and metrics. The moment something goes wrong, then reduced human error, no more forgotten cleanup steps or risky manual changes during deployment. A huge benefit is cost optimization. The agent monitors usage and automatically highlights or fixes waste. Of course, this all leads to better developer productivity because engineers can focus on building features instead of babysitting pipelines. And finally, explainable automation. Every action the agent takes comes with a clear explanation. So we always understand why it made that decision. So, with that foundation in place, let's move to a simple hands on demo and see how an agentic DevOps workflow actually behaves in real time. Now, moving to demo. In this demo, using GitHub Actions workflow acts like a smart DevOps assistant inside GitHub. It watches how developers interact with the repository and responds automatically in real time. The business problem is simple. When developers create issues or pull requests, they often wait for acknowledgement or guidance. That delay creates confusion and slows down productivity. So, the solution here is an autonomous agent that instantly replies, gives feedback, and keeps developers informed. Okay, let's start with the first test. Here I am going to open a new issue, give title and description, and then click create. So as soon I create this issue, the workflow should immediately detect this event and our agent should send friendly welcome message. See, we got it. This confirmed that the issue creation trigger is working and the agent is able to respond in real time. Let's move on second test. In the same issue, I just add a command that include the word help. We already know the workflow is designed to look for this word. See the help I given. So the agent should reply back immediately with a help message saying it is here to assist. See, we got it now. Okay, let's try without word help or status. Let's see what happens. Let's check the action. It's the workflow initiator. So when we check the log, we can see no response triggered for this event. If we go back to issue, there is no automated message displayed after we submit the comment. Okay, is this a true Agentic DevOps demo? Let's be very clear about what we just saw in the demo. What we learned here is simple. Someone opens an issue or adds a comment. GitHub sends a webhook or workflow checks. Does this match my conditions? If yes, it posts a response. That's it, it's just automation. But it's not intelligent. So, in short, this demo not a true agentic DevOps system. This workflow works on rule-based automation, where simple if-else logic checks for keywords and performs actions. It is also event-driven, meaning it reacts to GitHub events like pull requests or commits. And finally, it uses hard-coded responses, pre-written messages that appear when those conditions are matched. Then what's missing here? There are no AI models, no machine learning, no reasoning or decision making, no understanding of context, and no true autonomous behavior. So the question is, why are we calling this agentic? Right now, the flow is very straightforward. Event happens, condition is checked, action is executed. A real agentic flow would be different. It would look like this. Event happens. AI understands the context, reasons about the best action, executes it, and then learns from the outcome. We can evolve this demo in stages to move towards real agentic DevOps. Option 1 is AI analysis. Here, the system uses an AI model to understand the issue, classify it, label it, and generate a more intelligent response. Option 2 is decision making. At this stage, the system doesn't just analyze, it decides what to do, whether to assign, escalate, close, or request more information. Option 3 is the full agentic system. This is where the agent truly becomes autonomous. It understands the issue in the context of the code base, proposes solutions, validates them, and even creates pull requests automatically while learning from feedback over time. So, this demo is the starting point, and these options show how we can gradually transform it into real world agentic DevOps practice. Thanks for watching. In the next video, I'll be back with a real time use case showing how the real agentic DevOps works in action. From intelligent monitoring to autonomous decision making inside a live pipeline. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video.